Hello, I'm Stefan from the Biomass Togo project. So here in Togo, what we do, basically, we transform biomass, which are waste from agriculture and the forestry sector, to charcoal. So with some carbonization kilns we have outside, we make a pyrolysis of this material and take it to charcoal. And then with the small factories that I will show you right now, we just transform this into charcoal balls that replace traditional charcoal. As we say, traditional charcoal is a source of deforestation. So what we try to bring, what we aim to do, is to introduce a renewable, ecological charcoal to replace this traditional charcoal. So here is a small factory that we started in 2016. We aim to study how to produce this charcoal the best way. We tried many different types of charcoal. We produce even pellets and not carbonized fuels. And watch out. And so we bought a few machines, as you can see here, that allows us to crush material, to dry material, to mix different types of biomass, and to come with some charcoal. So here, for example, is the charcoal production line we have. So you've got a mixer that takes the raw material, carbonized, that we mix with some natural glue, and we have a machine that makes us some balls, charcoal balls, and ecological charcoal. So this is the kind of charcoal we're producing, small balls, and we're already selling this in Togo. People seem to like it very much. They say the quality is good, it burns longer. So the ecological argument, they're not really open to it, but as it burns well, they want to purchase it. The price is the same as traditional charcoal, so they're quite happy with it. So now we aim to invest in a bigger factory. Now we know how to make a good charcoal, we know how to control the quality, the cost, the raw material we need, and where to get great quantities. So now we're just ready to invest in a bigger production line of at least 4 tons a day. This is our main objective. So this is it. Charcoal is a problem because it's not renewable, but a lot of industrial companies, they need fuel to heat for the processes. So they would burn wood, or they would burn other very dirty materials. So what we aim to provide is an uncarbonized biofuel. So for example, this is made out of rice husk and palm leaves. So it's a fuel that can be burnt in an industrial boiler. So we're still studying that, but we have already some customers, some industrial customers that asked us if we could supply great quantities of it. Maybe in a smaller size, as pellets. Some will like it big, some will like it small. So still studying that, but yeah, I think we would be ready also to supply some customers if we could invest in a bigger plant. So this is a project, both biofuel and biocharcoal, to fight global warming, but also mainly deforestation here in Togo, which is quite a big problem.